Hello everybody, I hope everyone is fine at their homes. Today we'll be making this wheat bread. This is without maida or without all-purpose flour. So now let's start with the recipe. But before that, I wanna ask that everyone is following both of my channels, the Vinewood Chef as well as Piano with Adi. This bread is made with just basic ingredients. The extra ingredient is just yeast. So now let's start with the recipe. In 1 cup of warm milk, add around 2 tablespoons of sugar. Stir until all the sugar crystals are dissolved. After the sugar crystals are dissolved, add around 2.5 teaspoon instant yeast. Do not use dry yeast, otherwise the time of proving will be more. And then cover and rest for 10 minutes. After 10 minutes, you will see that yeast has activated. Then take around 3 cups of whole wheat flour or गेहूं का आटा. Then add the yeast mixture to it. Now keep on mixing it until you get a crumbly mixture. After you see that all the yeast mixture is mixed with the flour, add around 45 ml of water. And you can see around 3 tablespoons of water I am putting. Now keep kneading until you get a sticky dough. And yes, if you feel that your dough is a little crumbly, you can add more water according to the dough consistency. The dough should be like this as shown in the video. It should be sticky, it should not be dry. After kneading for about a minute or two, you will notice that the dough doesn't remain sticky anymore. It will be like very soft and it will not stick to your hands. Now add around 2 tablespoons of refined oil. Do not use sarson ka tel or mustard oil because it will give a very bad flavor and a very bad smell to your bread. And yeah, do not pour all the oil at once. Add 1 tablespoon at a time and the remaining tablespoon after some time. So keep on kneading the dough until you see that the dough has started to become a little soft. Now after some time, add around 2 teaspoons of softened butter. Do not use melted butter. I am using softened Amul butter here. This is normal Amul butter. You can use the homemade butter as well. Now when you add the butter and start kneading, you will notice that the dough has started to become very soft. It has become very delicate and that means we are going right. Now do not forget to scrape the sides of your bowl with the dough, not with the spatula obviously. Then take the dough on your tabletop and start to knead it. You actually need to activate the gluten, only then the bread will rise and it will become soft and delicate. Now flatten the dough and start to tuck in the sides of the dough to the center until you get a ball out of the dough. It is very important to tuck in the sides of your dough, only then your dough will rise perfectly. Like this I am doing in the video. You have to follow the same steps. Now apply some oil in your bowl and we'll prove it for around 45 minutes. You also have to apply some oil on your dough also so that the top doesn't get dried out. Now cover it with a lid and prove it for around 45 minutes at room temperature. After 45 minutes, you will notice that your dough has almost doubled in size. Punch it to expel all the air out of the dough. And then after kneading for around 10 seconds in your bowl. Take the dough onto your tabletop and start to knead it again. Now transfer the dough into your bread tin and prove it for another 30 minutes. After proving it, bake it at 180 degrees Celsius for around 30 to 35 minutes. After baking, when the bread is quite warm, brush it with some milk on the top to keep the top moist. After baking, allow it to cool down completely, and then your delicious bread is ready. Serve it with your friends and families at evening at tea times, or you can eat it just like that with some jam and butter. You can put any sauce or topping as you are liking. You can put chocolate sauce also, and enjoy. And do let me know in the comment section how it turned out for you. If you like this recipe, give this recipe a big fat thumbs up and subscribe my channel for more such wonderful recipes. Until then, bye bye. Stay home, stay safe.